Get ready for the passage dictation. 5 seconds to go.
Ready? Start. Maharana Pratap ruled over Mewar only for 25 years. However, he accomplished so much grandeur during his reign that his glory surpassed the boundaries of countries and time, turning him into an immortal personality. He, along with his kingdom, became a synonym for valor, sacrifice, and patriotism. Mewar had been a leading Rajput kingdom even before Maharana Pratap occupied the throne. Kings of Mewar, with the cooperation of their nobles and subjects, had established such traditions in the kingdom as augmented their magnificence despite the hurdles of having a smaller area under their command and less population. There did come a few thorny occasions when the flag of the kingdom seemed sliding down. The flag once again flew high in the sky thanks to the gallantry and brilliance of the people of Mewar. The destiny of Mewar was good in the sense that, bearing a few kings, most of the rules were competent and patriotic. This glorious tradition of the kingdom almost continued for 1500 years since its establishment, right from the region of Bappa Rawal. In fact, only 60 years before Maharana Pratap, Rana Sanga lifted the kingdom to the pinnacle of fame. His reputation went beyond Rajasthan and reached Delhi. 2 generations before him, Rana Kumbha had given a new stature to the kingdom through victories and developmental work. During his reign, literature and art also progressed extraordinarily. The Rana himself was inclined towards writing, and his works are read with reverence even today. The ambience of this kingdom was conducive to the creation of high quality work of art and literature. These accomplishments were the outcome of a long standing tradition sustained by several generations. The life of the people of Mewar must have been peaceful and prosperous during the long span of time. Otherwise, such extraordinary accomplishment in these fields would not have been possible. This is reflected in their art and literature as well as their loving nature. They compensate for lack of admirable physique by their firm but pleasant nature. The ambience of Mewar remains lovely thanks to the cheerful and liberal character of its people. One may observe astonishing pieces of workmanship not only in the forts and palaces of Mewar but also in public utility buildings. Ruins of many structures which are still standing tall in their grandeur are testimony to the fact that Mewar was not only the land of the brave but also a seat of art and culture. Amidst aggression and bloodshed, literature and art flourished, and creative works of literatures and artists did not suffer. Imagine how glorious the period must have been when the Vijay Stambh, which is a glorious example of our great ancient architecture, even today was constructed. In the same fort, Kirti Stambh is standing high, reflecting how liberal the then administration was, which allowed people from other communities and kingdoms to come and carry out construction work. Stop.